Oh my goodness, kittens. Kittens everywhere. Time for a weigh-in. Right, everybody? Oh, someone's all puffed up. Alright, I'm gonna move. Sprinkles goes running for. You guys are so silly. I wonder if I make it the whole side of the room. Go hunkin'. Oh, hunkin'. No zooming back here. This is no. We're gonna see what it is. I know. It's your silly little baby. Now, what are you doing? Trouble. Trouble. Assuming that's Truffle being a little troublemaker. Alright. So, as we've noticed, now Snickerdoodle is eating food, and Truffle is eating kibble. They've both decided that kibble is the way to go. Every litter is different. Some will only eat wet food first, some will only eat kibble first. Get this fun toy. So you never know what you're gonna get. This is fun. Who are we missing? A Sprinkles and a Truffle, right? Did Sprinkles go? I guess he's... Ooh, the springs. They're having fun with the springs. Alright, let's weigh some kittens. So, this guy is smart and good at eating. So, today is the 14th. They are 45 days old. Can you believe it? I can't. Oh, I know I say that every day, but I can't believe it. They grow up so fast. So they have to be minimum of 8 weeks and 2.2 pounds before they can be neutered or spayed. So, they'll be 7 weeks old on Tuesday, if you can believe it. I can't. Look up. Can you see Sprinkles right now? Look at that. Look at that. He and Praline both do this. This is how they clean their bums. Ah, that's so funny. both legs up in the air. Silly. So silly. Still. Okay. All right, here we go. You. All right, so let's see how much this Snickersnoodle weighs. He was 25.75 yesterday. Ooh, stop squirming. I have to make sure that this. So he's 1 pound 10 3/4 ounces today, so that's 26 3/4. That is what happens when kittens finally start eating kibble. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Good job, Mama. This one here is fat just because he eats milkbar all the time. I haven't seen Sprinkles eat kibble yet, but it is possible he's been doing it because he's so plump. Where's he going? It's all wound up right now. So excited. Here's Noodles. Be a good boy. Alright, let's see how the praline is doing. Oh, she's so sleepy. Hi, little pralines. Praline is 26 3/4. Well, that's good. She had a big gain yesterday and a good gain today. So I took Sugar Plum. I let her downstairs with the babies earlier. We had some cat friends over. And the babies were down there, and I was trying to give Mommy some me time, but I let her out, and I've been letting her out a little bit. When I'll put my cats away because it's not good for them to mix, but I think she's gonna need. She's really good with me. She hasn't bitten me or attacked or anything like that since the incident right after they were born. But she definitely, there are things that freak her out. Like she's very noise sensitive. So whoever adopts her will have to understand the situation, and I'm sure that it's all heightened because she has babies around, but and she's so sweet with me because we've had time to get to know each other, and it's very often the mom cats are different once the babies are gone. But where are you going? What do you have there, baby? But it's hard to know how she'll do with other cats until the babies are gone, and she's definitely, whoever adopts her will have to understand. We'll have to understand about her trigger points and take their time getting to know her. And once you do, it will be extremely rewarding because she's a really sweet and delightful cat. And she has good manners. She doesn't wreck stuff. She's neat in the, oh, hi Tress. She's neat in the litter box. She's a good cat, and she's been fine about being picked up, and I've been touching her tail and even her feet a little bit. So I think that was all pregnancy related, but she definitely has some issues around people she doesn't know. So we will have to find the right home for her. Pumpkin. Pumpkin's got a little puffball. And it's his puffball. Oh, give it. Uh-oh. Anywho, back to the weigh-in. Look, I can't weigh Pumpkin until he puts down his puffball. Oh, Truffles, did you bring your prey all the way into the bathroom? Come here, Truffy Truffs. Truffy Truffs had a big, huge gain yesterday. She gained 2 ounces yesterday. Didn't you? Because you're eating food like a real girl. Good girl. With her little curly ears. So, what did I have her at yesterday? 24 and 5/8. And today she is 25 and 3/4. Oh my goodness, growth spurt. Growth spurt. So, the cool thing about Truffle, well, there are many incredibly cool things about Truffle, but she's got curly ears. Look, I don't know if you can see them, but she has curly ears. It's the most adorable thing. Curly little Truffle ears. Adorable. Where are you going, Praline? Praline's got some prey. Hey, Punky, come here. Let's see how much you weigh. Here, everybody, stay off the scale. Pumpkin. Alright, so Pumpkin. Oh, see, and I didn't even write it down. 25.75. Okay. Pumpkin is, hey, this is not, no, that's not what we do. Look here. Okay, 1 pound, 7 ounces. So that is 23 ounces. So that's up a little bit. You can tell who's not eating kibble and who is. Look, Punks. Do it, Pumpkin. Look, buddy. Look. It's interesting that these guys are kibble eaters. More often, it's they start on the baby cat, the wet food first, but not these guys. Not interested. So funny, because Mommy loves the wet food. So Sprinkle, oh my goodness, 1 pound and 13 ounces. He's so big. So that would be 29 ounces. So once they hit 34 ounces, they will be big enough for their spays and neuters. Look at this good boy. What a good boy. Look at Praline, so proud of herself. Whoa, no. What happened? This is a fun new toy. Where's Mr. Val? Val must be off. Oh, there he is. Hey, Val. So, and I opened the enclosure because she was trying to take him over the wall again. I don't know what that's about, because it seems like she just likes to have the company of a kitten or two. Like, it's reassuring to her to have. She doesn't actually like to be alone. Like a lot of the moms, most of my moms, actually all of them except for her, once they get to a certain age, once the kittens are so enormous and ridiculously nursing, then they want to have separate time as they wean. But no, not Sugar Plum. She likes to have them nearby, so it'll be interesting. Hi, you're so cute. So Val is 1 pound and 12 ounces. So that would be 28. So he's up a little bit, 3/8 of an ounce. So everybody gained today. That's good. I think we're over our little blip that we had, where everybody was losing. Look, oh, look, you know that your sister loves, and your brother now. Oh, they love them some kibble. Look. Get it. This is how I got Inara finally. Look. Hi, Snoodles. Okay. There you go. Every kitten has a different little trick that will get them to try it. And it usually just takes time. Firefly's kittens were like 7.5 weeks old before the first one even tried food on their own, so they were ridiculous. These guys are approaching ridiculousness too. Whoa. I've gotten a bunch of adoption applications that I need to get over to Laps, and so I just haven't quite had a chance yet. Look. Look. Oh. Hey. Look who wants a kibble. It's always funny because he tried to eat. It's hard to eat. They don't quite know. Oh, did that kibble touch your face and now you have to clean your face? He ate it off. He ate it when I tried to eat it, but then it fell out of his mouth because he's not very coordinated. Look, Praline, you're not helping. Now, of course, there's kibble all over the floor. Oh, he's gonna eat that. Oh, he just ate it off the floor. Yay, it's for Sprinkles. Kibble. Sprinkles has discovered the joy of kibble. What is this? Everybody. Follow the kibble trail. For some reason the bowl it's never cool to eat kibble out of the bowl at first. Oh, you're so cute. You need some attention. Where's your mummy? Sugar plum. You've got poo on your butt. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. How embarrassing. I don't have anything to get it off with except my fingers. That's kind of gross. Will you go get me some toilet paper? Will you go get me a toilet paper? How about a Kleenex? Will you give me a Kleenex and I'll fix your butt? No? Hi. Alright, we'll take care of it at the end. Look at this guy. Going to town. Less mess for me to clean up. He's eating all the kibble around the bowl. No, don't get distracted by your sister who's playing with the wand of the door. What? Was that just did I just get attacked for approaching your kibbles? This is Sprinkles kibble. Look, he's so excited about his new kibble habit. Where are you going? Praline is enjoying herself right now. Who else do we need to get in on this? Mr. Valbert. Valbert and Pumpkins. Look at that. Really? Your brother is finally eating kibble. Look. Oh. Did he do that? Your brother's finally eating kibble. Oh, hey. Ha. I'm going to take this away so as not to distract anyone. Look what, look. No, we don't attack tails when we're eating kibble for the first time. Look, everybody, the tabbies just figured out kibble. So exciting. Now look, how about you? No, that's a tail. That's your sister's tail. You can attack it any other time, but not during kibble discovery time. Kibble discovery time is sacrosanct. Here we go. Oh, Sprinkles has almost resigned himself to the bowl. Oh, are you done? Hey! Wait, look. See, it's finally happening, people. It's finally happening. Pumpkin and Valbert. It's possible they've been sneaking food, but if you look at the weights, though, you can kind of tell who are the two. Val and Pumpkin are the two with the lowest gains, right? Who else? Oh, yep, Pumpkin and Val. So it's possible that the others have been sneaking kibbles here and there, but I've never seen them eat it like that before. What are you doing, little scamperoo? Here comes Mommy. Valbert. It's so much more fun to eat off the floor. Look, the milk bar just walked by. Here you go, Porky Praline. Look, what do you think? There's a whole bowl of it right there. It's really exciting. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Who's my pretty special girl? She's a special girl. Oh, she's so special. So she did hiss at one point downstairs, but she let me pick her up, and she did not go Yeti. Hey, you know what? Here we go. Which is good. So I think that she will be okay once she gets to know, because she's totally okay with me. But I do keep an eye on her, and I would. It's impossible for me to say how she would do with other cats. I would definitely think a very slow introduction would be required. But mama cats are very protective, universally very protective, so we can't really predict how they're going to be once the babies are gone. I always worry about them because I see them when they're with. I see how they react to Bunny and Bartlett and Pantsaroo, who are the least threatening, least aggressive cats possible. And they never appreciate that, but they just don't appreciate any other adult cats. Not like the kittens do. Kittens love other cats, right? Because every adult cat offers the possibility of milkbar. Right, Punky Punks? Look, oh, look what I have. Oh, that's tasty. No, look, look. Look. Oh, what's gonna happen? This is about to happen. Come here, Velvet. Look. Oh, down the hatch. Oh, where are you going? That's what I thought. That's a truffle masquerading as a Valbert. It was a lot easier to tell the difference when a truffle was kind of lanky and skinny. She's a little on the lean side for my liking, but she's certainly made up for lost time. Do it, Albert. Look. No, not milkbar. Look. Look. Oh, get it. Look. 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 Hi. Hey, what do you think about this kibble slap? Now look. He's like, maybe I am hungry for milkbar. No, that's silly. Look. Look, you can be a big boy. Look. Look, buddy. No milk bar. Here. Oh, look. So that was exciting. So we're making progress. Not so much Valbert. Valbert is still... Oh, although the kibble slot is working. That's a good boy. He's not spitting it out. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. Look, buddy. Look, what do you think? Almost. Look. Look, Albert. Hi, Premenius. Good job. What a big girl. What a big girl. So I have now the wall opened up. It can come and go as they please. So there may be no kittens in here tonight. I don't know. Hi, Premenius. Hi, Mama. How's your milk? You still have some milk. That's for sure. Tomorrow, I'm hoping to get to Laps to set up a cam on the taxi cats, since they're back at Laps. Valbert has to go to the bathroom. I hope he didn't do it next to the litter box. Get him, pumpkin. Oh, look, Mommy. Look, she's not even... You should hear the purring that started. Oh, Mommy loves her babies so much. Pumpkin. It would be nice, actually, if... I think Sugar Plum would like to be adopted with a baby. And obviously they would like to be with her. If anyone's interested in that, I think that would work out pretty well, actually. She does love them so much. All the moms do, but it's somewhat unusual that she takes them with her at this age. It's not a fear thing or it just seems to be because she wants to have a couple of them with her. Hey, Eileen, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Mommy. Look who it is. It's your pumpkin. Oh, he's so excited. Oh, Praline. That is not what we do. That is not acceptable behavior. See, I've had to dismantle all of my cord protection system. Oh, that's adorable. Get it. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh, get her. Oh, who loves their baby so much? I've been trying to give her time to wander the house, but she doesn't wander too far. She's an interesting one. Oh, it's such a good mommy. Such a good mama. Alright, who else in there? Anyone? Oh. Chris Cat, stop nursing SP. That's hilarious. Yes, they would continue to nurse. Labs usually will separate like when they go in for their spays, they're usually separated when they come back so that the kittens aren't trying to nurse you don't want them nursing on the moms after surgery anyway, because they have anesthesia and the painkillers, and that will come through the milk break. So that's why, I don't know if you remember if you watched the Firefly. I kept her separate, but did supervised visits just so that she could see the babies, so they weren't just suddenly gone, but without letting them nurse. Praline, what are you doing back there? Come and get your moon. Do you want one, Mommy? Look at Mommy. She's trying to play. How cute is that? How cute is that? Oh, I need my camera. Oh, it's right there. Okay. So usually the moms will, the last time they see their babies is before the spay. But I like to get them back with their babies. A little bit at least. But look at that special mama. What a special mama. But it's always hard for them to say goodbye, I think. I always worry. Don't you always worry about... Some of the moms are ready to move on, but sometimes you know they must miss them for a little while. Wonder where they are. Or maybe not. Maybe they just go about their business. But I think they do miss them. It would be nice if... Oh, you come here. It would be nice if Sugar Plum could go home with someone. It would be nice. I wonder if she would object to... This is ridiculous. Praline is not interested in milkbar right now because she's a big girl. He does kibble. I wonder if she will object if I do this. And at least try to keep them away from the cords and things in my desk. I will leave it like this and see what, and observe from the other room and see what ends up happening. If she tries to move them. Yeah, I could put the fence around my desk, except I have a big pile of stuff. It's just like, it's kind of a disaster back there. I got this half of the room clean and cleared out, but it's, oh, my battery's up still. I know. Who even knows? Oh, here we go. Quick plug in. Oh, wait, okay. Money. It's ridiculous. It's almost, Sprinkles is like a half-grown cat. It's ridiculous that he is still nursing like this. You guys should see it from this angle because it's even more ridiculous. It's not ready for bed. Cupcake blanket for everybody. This is the way, this is a toy that is good to be managed. Praline wants someone to play with her. Oh no, I'm just gonna go in there. Alright, there we go. Praline gets in there and just causes trouble. Oh, such ridiculousness. Okay. Oh, the kibble. I'm gonna leave the kibble out in case they look. I mean, this is ridiculous. Sugar plum, lemon. It's okay. It's okay to say no, babies. You must eat like normal cats now. It's okay. When they're this big, you don't have to keep doing it. You don't have to keep doing it. Oh, you're such a good mommy, though. Yes, you are. Such a good mommy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, what a good mommy you are. You're bad kittens. Bad kittens. Yes, you are such bad little kittens. So next week, once we get like a week to 10 days. Oh, see, I think she's out of milk now. I think she's run out because we have ear lock. Once I think we're 7 to 10 days away from spay. See, done. I will try to encourage. I'll probably separate them a little bit, just because it's harder for the moms if they go in for their spay full of milk, still producing milk at full capacity, which she certainly is with all of this nursing. Makes it easier if it's just, otherwise it's very uncomfortable for them. So for a couple days till their milk supply goes down. I'm sure you ladies who have had babies can imagine what that would be like. Look, oh, asleep. No more milk, all empty. Oh, mommy, what a good mommy you are. All right. Good job, everybody. Oh, Praline, yes, you're so cute. Yes, you are. So, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna take babies anywhere? Or are you gonna be a good girl? Oh, Sprinkles. Oh, where's your mommy going? Is she leaving you? Oh, she's leaving you. Total milk coma. Total milk coma. Oh, look at the oranges. I wonder if I could. Other box. Just bear with me for a minute. I'm gonna try something. We need a dark blanket. Like this one. Hi, Punky Punks. Oh, Snoodle. You're so cute. Hold on, I'm gonna put you right back. I'm just gonna make your bed.
so comfy now. Pillow. Everyone except Praline is so sleepy. Oh, so sleepy. There. Such sleepy little kittens. Alright, so that's fun, right? So I'll have to keep an eye out and see make sure that Mommy's not moving babies again, but that's what I will do. Oh, it's midnight already. Alright, everybody. Good night, humans. Good night, little kittens. Good night, Zoomy Praline. See you all in the morning. If I can actually get out. Mommy has been trying to get out the door with me. Praline is full of scampy goodness right now. Solo scampy goodness. You are so silly. Alright, I'll buy another bowl. Get uphill. Alright, we're all good there. Okay. Alright, good night, humans, and good night, kittens. Oh, Praline. You are so funny right now. Come. That was my head. Look at you. She captured her own tail in there. kibble. All right, now I'm eating. Mommy looks like she's stocking. Oh, you. What other toys did she put out there? This one? I think this is a good one. Now everybody's gonna get little cupcakes. A little sequin mouse. That's fun. You can barely squeeze under the bed now. Maybe I should move this back a little bit. Then you can't really see anything. Oh, it's a praline. There. All right. I should go to bed now. All right. Good night, everybody. Oh, hi, Brennan. You're not supposed